I feel you. I'm finna go do some homework too. Y'all trying to study together? That'd be lit.
No.
You wanna rate me 1 to 10?
6.
Oh.
Yeah, super, fly, check the lures, ayy. Louis V check from the boot up, yeah. Did his thing, gotta shoot on, yeah. Been playing too nice, gotta root up, ayy. Treat me like a Louis connoisseur, yeah.
Alright, YouTube, what's good, man? It's AJ 2 times back with another banger, man. Look, and today we gonna be doing a monkey video. So the first part I'm gonna be doing, you know what I'm saying, rate me 1 to 10. And then the second part I'm gonna be doing, I'm looking for a girlfriend, man. So this is not literal, it's only for entertainment. So don't take me serious, guys. Look, it's only jokes, it's only entertainment. We just want to have fun and turn this thing up. So before we get into the video, man, make sure you like, comment, sub if you're new, turn on post notifications, and let's get into this video. It'd be weird, bro, when they start staring at you. Finna get it done with it. Finna turn this thing up. She pick up? God dang, she don't wanna pick up. No, boy, chill out. Bro, oh my god. Monkey, take off niggas. Like, when it's a nigga on, don't let me see another nigga trying to connect with me. That's not cool, bro. I don't want to see a nigga. Oh my god, it's Bryson. No, I'm just playing. I actually know Bryson. Hey, what's up?
You cute.
Appreciate it. You cute too.
What are you talking about? Fuck no, baby.
What you doing? I'm so glad that ended, bruh. Like, I couldn't tell like if her face was dysfunctional or like she just had an Android or something. That shit weird, bro. Jessica from Indianapolis. What's goody? Yeah, you know the anthem. You know the anthem. What's up? Wait, how old you is before I ask you this?
I'm 15. I'm 17. No, you're not. You're 15. And she's 10.
Wait a minute.
Oh, I ain't talking to her. I'm talking to you. Look. On the scale of 1 to 10, rate me.
8, 9.
Nah, alright, bet. Look. I'm finna text y'all. Dubs. Oh, dubs. I did straight cap. Ha, dub. Said, ooh, you a, ooh, 8, ooh, 9, ooh, what? Aha. Dubs. If I get a 10, it's gonna be over with. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, boy. What's up?
Hi. Hey.
What y'all doing?
Nothing. I'm bored.
I feel you. I'm finna go do some homework too. Y'all trying to study together? That'd be lit.
No.
Oh. Oh, she just rejected me. It's okay. It was never that deep anyway. What up?
Hi. No.
What y'all doing?
Nothing. Homework.
Look, I need y'all to do me a favor, alright?
What?
Rate me 1 to 10, what's up?
You 8.5. He looks like, what's that boy name? The one that has to with Billie Eilish. What's his name? Nigga, what? Yeah, what's his name?
Alright, what's your rate?
9.5 probably.
Alright, I'm about to text y'all. Dubs, baby. Oh, dubs. I look so smacked on this camera, bro, but on my phone, I be looking alright. Oh, she skipped me. 15, I'll take it. Oh my god, she keeps skipping me. 17, let's get it. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Why you not showing your face?
I'm playing the game right now.
Oh, add time right quick.
He's cute. I'm playing Call of Duty.
Look, while you playing, look, I need you to do me a favor.
Alright,
Are you ready?
she wants to eat your ass like a biscuit.
You gotta smell it, you know? You gotta taste that shit.
Hey, this is a family-friendly channel. Look.
Right, no it's not.
Yes, it is. Look, rate me 1 to 10. Rate me.
No one likes him anyways. He has a cute smile and a cute personality. But you don't, so it's not gonna work out.
I said rate me 1 to 10. What's up?
Oh, you're 10.
Alright, 17 Pennsylvania. What's up with it? Yo, what's good? Rate me 1 to 10.
1 to 10. 4.
The fuck a nigga talking about beefing with me?
Why you lying? You smiled when you said that. I could tell you lying. Look, no, for real though, for real.
Alright, you're like a 7.
Alright, you a 10. You a 10. What's good with it? What's good with it? Fuck, nothing, with your bum ass. I was a 4, and I was a 7. And 7 plus 4, and none of this makes sense, right? Exactly. Bum. Thought I forgot that you called me a freaking 4 at the beginning? No, I didn't. Psh, come on now. Yo, what up? Bro, like, they gotta stop that, bro. Like, I could tell if you a nigga or a girl, bro. Chill out. This jacket is so comfortable.
Right now. And he was like, oh, well, that's bullshit.
He said that, girl, that's crazy.
On second thought, fuck that. Gotta make that money.
Why he say that?
At time, you guys, follow me in at time. He was sitting there saying, yeah, he was sitting there saying, well, Aaliyah, yo, shut up.
Wait, look. I need y'all to do me a favor, bro. Starting with you on the end. Rate me 1 to 10. What's up?
9.5. Okay, guys, this is what because I love your cross ear like this.
Appreciate
and I
it.
like your eyebrows.
I like your eyebrows too. Them boys sexy.
Gotcha, bitch.
Thank you.
Just like this. I'll give you about like a 7 or an 8, maybe.
I'll
Just
take
'cause
it.
I don't know.
And plus, I love the dimples of
I'll
your.
give you a 10 because like your skin looks really clear and I need my skin to be like clear like yours. And Chris, you have some. You got some.
Alright. Dubs, baby.
Yeah, they tryna be crack. She wanted me cutty. That bitch is a baby.
Dubs. Gay. Dubs. Hey. Dubs. Yay. Dubs, baby. Oh, that's a case bit. You got me messed up. Got me messed up. Hey, Dubs, baby. Let's get it. Oh, I shouldn't have probably skipped. Yo, what up?
Nothing.
You finna go to a party or something? Rate me 1 to 10. What's up?
I can't.
Why not? It's a rate. You ain't gonna ever see me in person.
I don't rate people because like they can probably bring your look. Like I just don't rate people. Because like what if I say the wrong?
Bitch, you doing too much. Look, I let the time run out. What if I say the wrong thing? Shut your ass up, nigga. It's a rate, nigga, not a you trying to fuck me. God dang, bro. Y'all take stuff to the extreme for what? Exactly. No reason, bro. No reason. They be making it weird, bro. Did y'all? Let's just like take a second and just think about what she said, bro. Oh, I don't want to say the wrong thing, nigga. How you gonna say the wrong thing? Let's go. Hey, what up?
Are you
No, I'm not a model.
And your brother leaky.
Damn, both of y'all kind of cute. I ain't gonna cap. Look, rate me 1 to 10. What's up?
10. I don't know about you.
What you say, light skin?
Oh, 10.
10. All right. What's up? Y'all gonna add me back or what's up? They be tripping. They be making that shit hard. Like for what? Look, you know what I'm saying? But Dubs, okay.
Yeah, they tryna be crack.
What up? What you doing?
Sitting on the floor.
Oh, okay, what you about? 15, 16?
Yeah.
That's what's up. That's what's up. I feel you. With your lying ass, you ain't no fucking 15, 16. Shut your lying ass up. Your ass 12 years old. You ain't fooling me, nigga. Fuck I look like. Was I born yesterday, nigga? What up?
Hi.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, you trying to do me a favor?
Sure.
You want to rate me 1 to 10?
6.
Oh.
And I will still dick you down.
Ooh. She just lied that hard. I'll take a 7, but I ain't taking no 6, dog. I ain't taking no 6, dog. It's probably because of this bomb ass jacket I got on. But like, do they not see the fresh cut? The girl told me she like my eyebrows. She said I like your eyebrows, I like your earrings, plus you got dimples. You and your feelings because you got your girl took. I ain't saying no names. Hey, what up?
Hi.
What you doing?
Nothing. Just chilling. Okay.
Rate me 1 to 10. What's up?
A 7.
7. All right. Let me see. You a good 10. What's up with it? You got a boyfriend?
No.
Lying ass. Lying ass. You do got a boyfriend with your young ass. Nigga, you ain't fucking fooling me. 7, nigga, really? I know I said I'd take a 7, but damn, like that really hurt my feelings.
Onward.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
What y'all doing?
Nothing. What about you?
Chilling? At time. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. Y'all thought I was gone, but I'm back. It was good. Oh, what you doing?
Much. You.
Chilling. At time, right quick. What's up? Look, rate me 1 to 10. What's up?
8.5.
And I will still dick you down.
Alright, let me look at you good. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Give me a little smile or something. What's up? Oh, yeah, boy, you a 10. What's good? You got a boyfriend?
What's it?
I don't.
Alright, look. I'm about to pull up then. What's up with it?
You shouldn't.
Look, man, look. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Look, make sure you drop a like, comment what you think about the video. Look, and sub if you new, turn on post notifications, man. We dropping bangers after bangers.
Came up with some pack, I got the shit pushing, I got that shit off in the same day. I thought it was real, but bitch, you be playing, so I'ma just focus and get paid. Came up with some pack.